Yeah, so today we are having the training workshop for South Goa district. Yesterday it was in North Goa. And the focus of this training workshop is to bring various departments, like for example, civil supplies, tourism, education, police, railway protection force, videos, then civil supplies I mentioned, but basically to look at what are the opportunities of networking with the departments and having an integral approach in taking action. So today in this session we have a resource person who has come from New Delhi, Dr. Puneet, and he is from Vital Strategies, which is the NGO partner with the ministry, and he is here to explain the technicalities of it. We are not only discussing CODPA, but we are also discussing PECA, which is the law to take action against the e-cigarettes and vaping that is happening. So this is a new challenge that we are facing today. Many of the students in high secondary and colleges, they are already falling trap to this program of the industry. The industry is trying to say that vaping is a better option, because if they say, okay, I'm not using a cigarette, but I'm using something which looks like a pen. So what happens? There is a possibility that parent, teacher will not take notice of this. So today in this program, we are working out the strategies, and we will do a follow-up program. So one of the follow-up programs we are pushing forward is a consumer action. That means how a consumer who goes in a restaurant, goes in a bar, goes anywhere of this pharmacy or whatever, will demand for that board, section 4 board, which says no smoking area. And second thing, then we are working for 31st May, World No Tobacco Day, and we are also showing how the slow program on anti-tobacco will affect the problem of drugs. See, today what is happening, nobody who is taking drugs has taken drugs directly. They have started by using tobacco. And that is why we are showing that link. And on 26th of June, which is World Day Against Drug Trafficking, we will be drawing that connection. So basically we are working with the departments today, even Gram Sabha resolutions, some PTA resolutions, this is all that we will be discussing today, and it will end in role plays. So today at the end of the program, we will be dividing in groups, and all the participants will actually performing a role play as to what they learned and what are the challenges that they have faced in today's training program.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.